Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to your introductory barbell workout. We're going to be doing 5 different exercises with only a barbell. So if you're new to barbell training, this is going to be a perfect workout for you to get some just some good practice at some of the basic introductory moves. So we're going to go over, again, 5 different exercises. We're just going to do 2 sets of 15 for each one. We're going to start at the top and then move down all the way through. We'll give you a little bit of rest time while I'm providing some coaching tips for each one. So if you're ready, go ahead and grab your barbell. We're going to approach the bar with your feet about hip width apart. So if you have it on the rack, great. Mine's on the ground because I don't have a rack. Go ahead and grab it with a shoulder width grip apart, and we're going to just bring it up to our hips. All right, so for this first exercise, we're going to be working on our hip hinge. So that's very important to make sure that we are engaging our hips correctly. So we're going to be working on glute activation. We're going to engage our hamstrings as well as work on our posture. So let's go ahead and get started with our first set of 15 reps. For this one, our knees are going to be slightly bent. We're going to have good posture, and we're going to push our hips straight back towards the wall behind you, letting our arms come down nice and straight. And we're going to draw our hips forward with a nice glute squeeze at the top. Nice smooth reps. We're only doing 15 of these, and we're going to get a short break after we do 15. So deep breaths on the way down, breathing out on the way up. So really trying to maintain good posture, back nice and straight, pushing those hips back, a little stretch through the hamstrings. Good glute squeeze at the top. Nice and smooth. Keep going. Give you a little side profile view. So nice and easy. Again, back straight, hips back, arms straight. Drive those hips forward. Do 3 more. And last one. All right, great job. Go ahead and rack your bar. If you need a short little break, we're going to take 30 seconds. So again, for this one, we're really focusing on hinging at our hips, back and forward, working on our glute engagement. Very important when you're flexing your hips, you want to make sure you stop when you feel that stretch in the hamstrings. So you don't want to force it too far. Let your back start to round. We're not trying to reach down towards the ground with this one. So we want to just make sure we're flexing our hips back. Feel that nice stretch in your hamstrings. Stop, drive forward, get that good glute squeeze. Let's go ahead and begin set number 2. 15 more reps. Here we go. Let's get a little quicker drive in those hips. Good job, keep going. Five more, here we go. Side profile, hips back. Last 2. All right, great job. Okay, set that bar down for a second if you need to. We're gonna go right into shrugs. So again, grip about shoulder width apart. For this one, we're just bringing our shoulders up to our ears. So just trying to move them straight up and down. Here we go. Nice and easy. Shoulders up, all the way down. Trying to bring those shoulders on a straight line. up to your ears. Last two. One more. Good job, relax, all right. Set your bar down if you need to. Again, that's gonna feel easy, but it's very important to develop that skill, letting those shoulders fire up, especially when you move on to some of those Olympic lifts. So if you're doing power cleans or snatches, it's gonna be very important to help you draw that bar up. So you're gonna really wanna work on making that shrug kind of second nature with these lifts. All right, so let's go ahead, do it again. 15 more, here we go. So again, straight up, shoulders to the ears. Good posture. Core nice and tight. Three more. Last one. Excellent job. Woo. All right, set that bar down for a second. I'm gonna show you the next exercise. Okay, for this one, we're gonna begin our bent over row. So we're gonna add that hinge that we did earlier. Okay, so same positioning for the hip hinge. Hips are going to flex, back, bar is gonna come down. We're gonna stop when we feel that hamstring stretch. We're gonna draw that bar up towards our belly button. So same thing, we're gonna do 2 sets of 15. So here we go. Grab that bar, about shoulder width apart, knees bent, good posture, good hip hinge. Feel that stretch, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, good job, pull it up. 11, 12, good job, keep going. All right, excellent job, good posture, stand back up. Whew. Okay, we got one more set. We're gonna do another set of 15. Okay, good posture is important for this one. Really make sure when you're doing these reps, when you start your pull, you're not standing up. So you wanna keep that hip hinge in position, stay down, just keep that same stretch in your hamstrings, hold that position, and continue to do your rows. So let's go ahead and get started. Back on our hip hinge position, bent over, last set of 15, and then we're gonna go into our sumo squats. Here we go. 1, 2, shoulder blades together, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, last two, here we go, pull hard, 14, and 15, great job, all right, whew. Take a short break, we're gonna go into sumo squats. So a little different setup. For this one, we're gonna go into a wide stance. Our feet angled out slightly. Good posture again. We're still gonna be adding some flexion at the hips, so not as much as the hip hinge. We wanna stay a little bit more upright. We're gonna do 15 squats, 2 sets, same thing. We'll still get 30 seconds rest in between both sets. So here we go, nice wide stance, slightly wider than shoulder width, toes angled out. You're gonna hold the bar at shoulder width or a little bit more narrow, whatever is comfortable for you. Reach down, grab that bar, and we got 15 reps. So here we go, good posture, upright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you got some weight on the bar, just go down until your plates touch the ground. Nice touch and go squats. If you don't have any weights on the bar, that's great. Try to get down nice and low. Work on that mobility a little bit. Two more. And excellent job. All right. Take a break. Got one more set. You guys are doing great. So again, just getting comfortable with the bar, comfortable with the movements that are going to be more demanding as you get more comfortable with performing heavier exercises. So you want to really make sure you got the form down, especially when it comes to hip hinging, especially when it comes to posture and control of your posture during those movements, because every time you start to increase your weight, your posture is going to be tested a little bit more. So it's very important that you get comfortable moving the bar with good form and good positioning. Second set, sumo squats. Here we go. Same position, nice and wide stance. 15 more, let's go. Little side profile glue for you. Driving those hips forward, backing down. Five more. Last two. One more. All right, great job. Okay, you guys made it. One more left. We're gonna go to overhead press. So go ahead and rack that bar at shoulder height. If you can bring that bar up without the rack, go for it. Shoulder width grip, or maybe slightly wider, just depending on what you're comfortable with. You want that bar in the front rack position right under your chin. Just gonna go nice and easy, 15 reps, up over your head. Knees are bent slightly, good posture, straight up. 1, 2, make sure you bring that head forward when you finish that rep at the top. Keep going, keep going. 5 more. Last 2. 1 more. All right, great job. Bring it down. Woo! Got one more set. Rack it if you need to. Excellent work. Feeling a little tired? That's good. Feeling like you're getting a good warm up, ready for your next party workout? That's great too. You can use this workout as an introduction to just some basic barbell movements, or if you want to use it as a warm up prior to getting after it with some heavier sets, that's great as well. So just very important, if you're interested in doing more barbell training, gotta get comfortable moving with the bar. Here we go. Last set, and then we're done with this barbell intro workout. Here we go, 15. Last set, straight up, chin out of the way, looking straight ahead, making sure not to arch your back, side profile view. Almost there, keep going. Keep going. All right, great job. Woo. Set that bar down, nice and easy. Keep it up. Make sure you keep trying that workout. Get comfortable with the barbell, and we'll see you next time for more great workouts. Good job.